We're full-time overlanders, and we installed a RENOGY off-grid power management system to our Chevy Colorado ZR2 as part of our overland truck build. This system is the perfect companion for any off-grid adventures: overlanding, RVing, off-grid cabins, boats, and even as an emergency backup system. We installed a RENOGY 200 amp-hour LifePo lithium-ion battery with a 2,000-watt inverter and a 50-amp DC-to-DC charger. Plus, we have 3 portable 100-watt solar panels. Now we have all the power we need and then some. Our system creates more power than the average weekend camper needs, but it's perfect if you're living off-grid or you need extra power in the great outdoors. RENOGY has various size batteries and inverters, so you can customize less or more based on your power needs. Our system is set up with 4 12-volt outlets, 6 USB charging ports, and the inverter to run any AC power appliances that are not 12 volts. On the inverter, we can run a kettle, blender, microwave, air fryer, circular saw, blow dryer, and any other high-power devices. Though we primarily use the 12-volt outlets, they're more efficient and use less power than using the inverter to convert DC power into AC power, so this saves us tons of battery power. Our fridge freezer, laptops, and air compressor all run off 12-volt adapters. On average, we use about 30 amps per day. This includes having our fridge freezer always plugged in. We use a kettle to make coffee every morning, and we keep our phones, flashlights, fans, power banks, cameras, and laptops fully charged. Essentially, we can function for about 6 days before our battery needs charging. With our RENOGY setup, we have 2 ways of charging the battery. One is through our solar panels. We have a 100-watt RENOGY suitcase solar panel. This panel has its own solar charge controller. This means it regulates the solar power to the proper current and voltage, so you can charge directly from it. We use this panel during long camp stays to trickle charge the truck's main battery, while also keeping the LifePo battery topped up. We have 2 additional portable 100-watt solar panels if we want to collect more solar more quickly. The second way of charging is through our DC-to-DC charger. It connects directly to our truck battery. The DC-to-DC charger isolates the RENOGY accessory battery so it will never drain the truck's starter battery. We highly recommend this option for any overlanders, RVers, or boat enthusiasts. When we drive the truck or turn the engine on, we're charging the RENOGY system. This is perfect if you're traveling day after day and are using portable solar panels, since you won't have many daylight hours to collect solar when you're on the move. It's also excellent if you have poor weather, limited sun, or limited daylight hours. With the DC-to-DC charger, we can go from a stone-dead RENOGY battery to fully charged during a 4-hour drive. The whole system runs through a combiner box. It's like a hub that connects everything and has fuses to protect all of your equipment. The RENOGY system is very smart and provides tons of techie data if you're into that. You can get a display box that shows the battery status and stats, or it's also Bluetooth, so you can get all the data on the easy-to-use app. If you're thinking about setting up an off-grid solar system and have questions, leave us a comment. If you're ready to buy, you can use our RENOGY code to get a discount on all your purchases. You can follow our off-grid adventures. We're currently spending the next 6 months overlanding in Baja, Mexico. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next amazing adventure.